Hello everyone. So today we will quickly learn how to extract or crop a bunch of raster images from a bunch of original raster images. So I have set up a folder called tutorial in which the original raster files are present, and we will mask a small portion from these raster images and paste them into the masked folder. So right now the masked folder is empty and the original folder is filled with these raster images. So these are actually INSAR processed images that we would clip today using QGIS. So I will select all of them and drag them into the QGIS software. So you can see all of them have been loaded. So let me just show you one of them. So this is how it looks like. So their perimeters are the same. It means that all of these rasters are on top of each other. So I don't, since there are some bad areas or bad parameters in this region, so I want to cut this area and just focus on the blue region. Okay, so I can also invert the colors to just show them the red color. Actually, the other one was okay. So we will extract this particular area from all the rasters. So what we need to do is go to raster and go to extraction and then clip raster by extent. Okay, so you might probably know how to extract a single image from a single raster image, which is quite easy. Just go and click on draw on the map campus and just draw and click run, which is super easy. But what we want to do is to crop all of the images from all of the original files. So we will go to run as batch process, and then we will click autofill, and then we will select from open layers. So all of these layers are already opened. So we will click on select all and click OK. So now all of the raster images are opened, and the number of rasters are 26, but we are getting number of rasters as 28. It is because one of them was already loaded and there will be a repetition in that. So you can see this one is repeated. These two images are repeated. So what we can do is just click here and click on the minus sign just to delete that particular. You can also delete any other image. So you can see we have 27 files, which is not actually 27, which is actually 26 because number 1 is written over here. So the next option is the clipping extent. What is the area that we want to clip? Click on this tiny arrow and draw on a map canvas. So we would like to just copy this particular region. So this clipping has been set for this particular image. Now we want the same clipping parameters for all of these images. So what we can do is just click the fill down. So the same clipping parameters have been set for all of these images, which is very simple. We would like to load layers on completion because if you don't click, an error pops out. So we don't want an error. So this is the most important part. We want to save the clipped or cropped image into a folder. So we will go and click these three dots, and this is the tutorial folder, and this is the masked folder. So you can give it a name such as clip and click save. So we would like to have it filled with numbers. If we fill it with numbers and click OK, so you will see that the name will be clip 1, clip 2, clip 3, and so on and so forth. But I want to use these original names because I don't want to be confused, because these dates are important for me. So what I want to do is just press dash and click save, and this time we will go to fill with parameter values, and it is asking which values do I want for the naming convention, and I want to use the input layers, which is this one, input layer. And when I click OK, So all of those dates are shown. We can cross match them. So this is 2015 12/26, and this is the same date. So the only thing is that this dash has been added with all of them, and then we can just simply click run. So it start extracting all of the raster images, and now it is done, and now I can close. So now you can see that the clipped images have been extracted. So I can also close all of them to just show you one of the image. So I will go to the original and extract one of the original files. Sorry, this one is not good. So I can use this one. And I will extract one of the masked images. So this one is the masked image. So all of the masked images can also be loaded. So these are all the masked images, and you can use your background and see the region. I can also give it the same color. You see this region has been extracted. Okay, thank you so much.